Hello to my all dear students. Welcome back to the channel of Sonakshi at Neat Biology World. In the last class, I have discussed up to organ system level of organization. In this class, we will start from there and I will discuss other basis of classification. So in organ system level of organization, there will be some complexities which will arise in the organisms. So what are those complexities? Complexities are on the basis of their digestive tract. First type is called blind sac type. Means in this organism, this is also called incomplete digestive tract. So in this organism, only one opening will be there, and that will act as mouth and anus. Only one opening that can act as mouth and anus. What are the examples? Examples are sponges, means poriferans, cnidarians, platyhelminths, helminths and ctenophorans. Coming to next one, which is called tube within tube type. Tube type. For example, in the higher organism, means ascalminths, annelids, arthropoda, in their digestive system, there will be two openings, which is act as mouth and which is act as anus. So if we see the complete structure, then we can say if we consider the structure as a tube is present within a tube. Tube means the digestive tract will be present inside the body and it will be open in both sides. This type of system is called complete digestive system, and there will be two openings. One mouth and another anus. Example, annelids, arthropods. From ascalminths to chordates, all will have tube within tube type of body plan. Coming to next complexities, which is given in the NCERT. Next complexities is by circulatory system. Circulatory system can be of two types. First form is called open type. What are the examples? In which type of organisms open type of circulatory system present? Like arthropods. Mollusk. Not all mollusk, there is an exception. In the mollusk, I will discuss that. Arthropod, mollusk, then echinodermats. Okay? Echinodermats. So how it will be looking like? See, if the heart is present here in the open system, from heart, blood will be transported through large vessels into a chamber, into a body cavity. This cavity will have all the organs which is bathed into the blood. So this kind of system will be called as open type. So blood will come from the heart and it will open into a space. Now, how the blood will go back to the heart? There will be some pores or opening which is called ostia. Through that, it will go back to the heart. And these vessels are called large vessels. So remember that in open circulatory system, large vessels are present and tissues or organs are in direct contact with the blood. But here, if we talk of closed circulatory system, the examples are annelids, chordates. How it will be looking like? If the heart is present here, from heart, blood will be circulated through large vessels and large vessels will divide into smaller vessels and which is called capillaries. Through that capillaries, there will be exchange of materials. Okay, and it will go back to the heart. So here, these large vessels, mainly they are called artery, right? If it is artery, from where or by which the blood will come from the heart to the organs, by veins, blood will come from the organs to the heart. And arteries will divide into capillaries. So organs will never be in direct contact with the blood. There will be some capillaries which is present through which the blood will flow. So whenever there is a requirement of exchange of some substances, first the substance will go from the capillary to the interstitial fluid and from the fluid it will go to the tissue. So it is never in direct contact. Okay. So this is called closed circulatory system. So here you can read there are complete digestive system and there will be incomplete digestive system called incomplete digestive system. And there will be in circulatory system, there will be open type and closed type. Okay. So this is all which is there in the NCERT. I have cleared the concept. Okay. So please revise again and again. Coming to symmetry. Next basis of classification is symmetry. Okay. Next basis of classification is symmetry. Now, if we talk about symmetry, then there are three types of animals. First type is called asymmetrical. Here also it is given in NCERT, asymmetrical. Asymmetrical, basically it is irregular in shape. Means there will be no plane which can divide the organisms into two equal halves. Okay. So, no planes can divide organisms into two equal halves. Example, most poriferans means sponges. They are asymmetrical. They don't have any regular body shape. Okay. Second one is called radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means, for example, like this pen. If we divide the organism into any plane or many plane, then there will be two equal halves. If you consider a ball, the same thing will happen. Means the organism which is spherical and cylindrical, they will have radial symmetry. Okay, so we can write here any or many planes divide organism into two equal halves. Example, I told that most poriferans, not all. Poriferans, for example, Sycon and Leucosolenia. Okay, very important example. They bear radial symmetry. They are basically cylindrical. Okay, coming to Cnidarians, Ctenophorans, and very important, adult echinoderms. They are pentaradially symmetrical. What does it mean? Pentaradially symmetrical? Pentaradially symmetrical means body can be divided by 5 planes. Pentaradially symmetrical. Like starfish. You know that starfish will have 5 arms, right? So by 5 planes, we can divide the starfish into 2 equal halves. But remember that I told that adult echinoderms. Because larval echinoderm will have the bilateral symmetry, not radial symmetry. Okay? So here it is radial symmetry. Coming to next one. Next one, which is called third one, which is bilateral symmetry. Means only one plane will be there which can divide the organism into 2 equal halves, like this crab. Just a minute, like this crab. Only one plane will be there which can divide the organism into 2 equal halves, right? Like human, we can divide the organism into 2 equal halves, right? So here bilateral symmetry means one plane, only one plane will be there, can divide organism into 2 equal halves. Okay, example, platyhelminths, aschelminths. I'm not writing the full. Aschelminths, arthropoda, and very important, larval echinoderms, annelida, all. I mean after ctenophorans, all will have the bilateral symmetry except the adult echinoderms. Okay. So annelida, chordata, etc. etc. So here let's check animals. Let's check the NCERT. Animals can be categorized on the basis of their symmetry. First one, asymmetrical. Any plane that passes through the center does not divide them into equal halves. They are asymmetrical, irregular shape, as I told. Coming to next one, which is called radial symmetry. Here it is given any plane, any or many, I told. Passing through the central axis of the body divides the organism into 2 equal halves. Examples they have given, but they have told here echinoderms. Let's be very specific, adult echinoderms. Coming to bilateral symmetry, where the body can be divided only by one plane, right? This is called bilateral symmetry. Coming to okay, next, in the next video I will discuss about other basis of classification, which is there, diploblastic or germ layers. So one by one I will discuss, I'll upload. If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Click the bell icon. I'll upload for each and every chapter. It will be very much helpful. Based on the NCERT, I will discuss. There will be concept I will discuss here, and I will discuss at the end of the chapter, I'll discuss CBSE questions as well as the NEET level questions. Okay, so if you watch this video, it will be complete revise for you, one by one, slowly. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you all.